Hi everyone, if you want a dedicated column just for the progress bars right next to your data, use this quick formula trick. Assuming your values in the cell B and click on the cell C2 where you want the bar and type equal sign and select the cells and hit enter. Now drag this formula down to fill your column and then go to the home tab and click on the conditional formatting. Click on the data bars and select the gradient field, or you can select the solid fill, whatever your choice is. And now again go to the conditional formatting, click on this arrow and click on the manage rules and click the edit rules and check the box for the show bar only and click OK and click OK to apply. And here it is. Whenever you change the values, for example 1800, the progress bar will automatically update. So I hope you understand how you can create a dedicated progress bar column in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.